Help me! Help me! Stop! Stop! Stop now. Oh no, I'm sorry. I need to see a doctor. What is wrong with him? Come on, let's go. Don't worry, I'll help you. Move! Move! I can't. What is going on? Sit still. Let's go home. Let's get down to work. Wow, great! Let's get started. Let's go. Okay, done. Give me that task. That's all right. Wow, it looks good. That's great. Very good. Stop the car. Oh, this place is so beautiful. Stay away! Stay away! Oh no! It is very dangerous ahead. Be careful. Oh my God! Sit still. No, no, exactly. Wonderful. Calm down. Ugh, it hurts. Are you all right? Something's wrong. Help me! Help me! Ah, found it. It's over there. You are great. It is here. There he is. Aha! Yeah. Let's go home. Finally, here we are. I have completed the mission. See you again. This car is super fast. Hurry up. Hurry up. Wow, this car is so nice. I've got an idea. Good idea.
Hey, you! Hey! Hey, you! Hey, you!
What is this? I'm having a trouble. I'll help you. Good job. It's over there. Oh no! You were great!
Oh.
My car has been stolen. Don't worry, you got me.
Hey!
Okay, let's go. What are you doing? Oh my God! Stop now.
Oh?
It is very dangerous ahead. Help me! Help me! Please call an ambulance for me.
Gross!
Oh my God! Hurry up! It hurts! Wow, that's great! I'm not fine at all. Stop now. What is this? Don't worry, you got me.
Help! Help!
Okay. Wonderful. Wait, wait. We have to move it out of here. What do we do now?
No, please! No!
Oh no, I'm sorry.
Ow! Ow! No! Oh! Oh!
We have to help him. Let's go.
Okay. Oh!
Come here.
Oh!
Stop, stop.
Oh! Ouch!
Oh, very beautiful.